Namaste, children. Shweta here. So let we start revision. You know that we already completed our syllabus. Now I will give revision based on the what we have discussed in the classes. See, let me see some addition sums. So it is in chapter, that is give and take chapter, and fun with give and take. Both the numbers I clubbed it and I have make a revision. Let me start some addition sums by giving addition sums. See here, so many sums they are given. So I have taken 643 plus 345. See, plus means addition. Addition you have to do here. Here, three digit number it is. So, first place is ones, tens, hundred. Always where you have to add and subtract, you have to go with ones place only. Always you have to add with ones place. Always you have to subtract with ones place only. Now, let me see 643 plus 345. See, 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 4 is also 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. So, answer is 988 is the answer. So, like that only 492 plus 29. See, 29, in the 29 only ones and tens place is present. 100 place is 0. So I make it 100 place is not there, so it is 0. So it will be easy for your addition. 9 plus 2 is 10. 11. 1 will be the carry. 10, 11, 12. 2, 1 will be the carry. 5. So 521 is the answer. Let us move on one practice some word problem. Work out the following story problem in the same way. Read each problem and say it in your words. Guess the answer before writing it. A train compartment is carrying 132 people. So how many people the train compartment is carrying? 132 people. Another compartment is carrying 129 people. See, in the train, so it is, this one is a compartments. So in one compartment it is 132 means another one compartment carry 129 peoples. In all, how many people are there in both the compartment? In all means total number of peoples. Total number of peoples means always you have to, total means you have to add. So the number of people in the first compartment is 132. Number of people in the second compartment is 129. So you both you have to add it. You know that 132 plus 129. So your three digit number, ones, tens, 100. Always you have to add with ones place. So 9 plus 2, 11. So 1 will be the carry. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3, 4, 6. So here 2. So how many people they are carrying? 261 people all together in the both the compartments they are traveling. Okay. Now a teacher kept a note of which fruit student like in her school. That is what she found. See, a teacher kept some fruits for the students in her school. So students are girls and boys both are there. See, students like some students, few students like orange. See how many students like orange? 136 students like orange. 240 students like mango. So in the girls 136 they are like orange, and 240 they like mango. If you see for boys, 128 boys are like orange, 243 girls boys are like mango. So what is the total? Total you have to find. How many students in the school like orange? See, you know that already. How many students in the school like orange? They are given. They are not given particularly how many girls they are like orange or how many boys they are like orange. Here total number of students like orange you need to find. So total number means you have to add 136 and 128 because only orange they are asked. So how many students like orange, both girls and boys? So one girls like orange, 136 girls are like orange, 128 boys are like orange. So 6 plus 8 is 14, 4 1 carry, 3 plus 1 is 4, 5 6, 264. So here number of students who like orange is 136. 136 plus 128 is 264. So 264 students are like orange. 264. How many students in school like mango? Only mango. How many students they like mango? See, boys and girls. 240 plus 3. 3. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 480. So 483 students like mangoes. So like that all together how many students are there in school? Total number all together how many students are there? You know the total number means they are not given particularly how many students are there in the school. You need to find. Yeah, how to find means total number of students in a school equals total number of girls plus total number of boys, right? So total number of girls means here total number of girls like orange and like total number of girls like mangoes. Both if you find means you will get the total number of girls. So 6, 3 plus 4 is 7, 3. 376 girls they like orange and 128 plus 243. So boys if you find 11, 3, 4 7 3 371. So both again you have to add this both. You have to find the total number of students. Here only you find total number of oranges girls, total number of girls like oranges, total number of boys like mangoes. That is that you are finding here. Now, so both if you had, you will get 747. So total number of students are 47. Is the number of girls more than 350 or less than 350? Number of girls is how much? 376. See, 376 means it is more than 350 or less than 350. It is more than 350. Now let me see this. Here are the cards for you. Work out the combination. Place the cards in the right box. See, they are given 50, 70 and 20 cards. So, only 50, they are given only plus symbol. So, which number if you had and 70 they are given. So, if you had 50 plus 20, you will get 70. By using 50 card and 20 card, if you had, you will get 70 card. 20 card and 50 card again if you had, you will get 70 card. So, like that 70 minus 50 is 20, 70 minus 20 is 50. So you can arrange like that by using three cards. You can do it in that addition also, in that subtraction also you can do it. Now one more sum. Can you help Nebula? Nebula mother sent her to the market to buy some things. She gave her 245 rupees. Nebula mother gave her 245 rupees. See, one more problem you can see. Nabala mother sent her to the market to buy something. She gave her rupees 245. Nebula bought 1 kg ghee for rupees 127. The shopkeeper gave her back rupees 98. See, Nebula mother gave her 245 rupees totally. Nebula bought 1 kg of ghee. So 1 kg of ghee cost is 127 rupees. and shopkeeper returned her how much money means 98 rupees money. So kilogram means kg. Did the shopkeeper gave her right amount? You have to find that. Let me find. See here, 1 means ones, tens, 100. So 245 minus 127. So 15 minus 7 is 8. Here 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So shopkeeper want to give her 118 rupees. So total number of money Nebula mother gave her 245 minus the ghee cost is 127. You have to subtract means you will get 118 rupees. So here 118 rupees means the shopkeeper gave her only 98 rupees. Shopkeeper did not give correct amount to the Nebula. Thank you.